guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 2 minutes. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and then change the format background's color to a dark shade. So I'll just use this navy blue color, and the next thing you're going to do is insert a circle of the same height and same diameter, and then you're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and then place it right here. Now insert a rectangle that covers half of the one of the circles. Select the circle and then the rectangle and then go to merge shapes and then subtract it. Now put this shape right below the circle, and then next thing you're going to do is duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and select all of the shapes and then duplicate them by pressing Ctrl plus D. Cover them like this, and then the next thing you're going to do is place this circle right below and these two shapes upwards. So let's place a circle right here. Select these shapes and put them in the equal height distance to the shapes. Select all of them, go to shape format and merge options and union, and then insert a picture in this shape from the picture texture fill option in the format shape, and then you can just crop it from picture format, and then you can adjust its size, insert a title header, like the text box for the header of this template. And the next thing you're going to do is change this color to white, increase its size, and then you have to put it right here like this. And next you have to insert your content text. Let me decrease its size, change the color to white, and give it some line spacing, and cut any unnecessary text that is white in this template. There you go. And the next thing I'm going to do is insert a straight line just below the title. And you're going to change its color to white. And then the next thing you're going to do is insert a rounded corner rectangle white just below the content text and give it an outline of white and remove its fill and then give it a text. So it is just going to act as a button. So this is the final result. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.